Hola, buenos días. Bienvenidos a clase de español. We are going to get started with our second lesson on almuerzo, on lunch. If you have not seen the prior video or completed the prior lesson on lunch words, you will want to do that first. If you are one of my students, accessing this on Google Classroom, you will find the first lesson about almuerzo on Google Classroom. If you are just following along on YouTube, you will find the first video titled Spanish Lesson La Comida Parte Dos Almuerzo Lunch. Now, if you have not watched that first video, you're going to want to watch that first. For today's lesson, you are going to want a lápiz and papel, and I will tell you when you need to use those. We are going to be having this class in tres partes. The first parte is we're going to do a quick review of the vocabulary words we will be using in this lesson. Secondly, we're going to take a look at some riddles and see if we can solve them. And third is we're going to play a game called Comida Extrema. This is a lesson geared towards my second grade students. So, to get started, let's take a look at the vocabulary words we are dealing with in this lesson. First, we have almuerzo. Say almuerzo. That is lunch. Next, say sandwich. That is spelled the same as sandwich. Next, say hamburguesa. Remember not to pronounce the H. Hamburguesa. Next, say pizza. Spelled the same. Next, say papas fritas. Those are French fries. Next, say ensalada. And lastly, sopa. All right. If those are new for you, again, go watch the first video. First, you really want to make sure you're familiar with these words for today's lesson. All right, let's switch over here. I might disappear on the screen, we'll see, but it is time for our comida riddles. I'm still here. Great. Okay, here we go. Now, for this, you're going to want to have your list, your vocabulary list out of all those lunch words. So you should have written them down last week. Get that list out. If you need to pause this video to do that, that is fine. If you need to pause this video to write those words down, that is fine. Here we go. First riddle. Numero uno. I include the word ham, but I am not made with any ham. Look at your lista de vocabulario. What is our answer for this? If at any time I go too fast, too rápido, you can pause the video to solve your riddle. And you do not have to write these down. We're just talking about them. Numero uno, I include the word ham, but I'm not made with any ham. Our answer would be hamburguesa. Hamburguesa has the word ham at the beginning. Of course, we don't pronounce ham because it has a silent H, so it is hamburguesa. All right, numero dos. I sound and look similar to soap. I told a story about this last class. I sound and look similar to soap. Sopa, sopa. Doesn't mean soap though, it means what? Soup. Número tres. In my middle, you will find an English word. So this is a Spanish word, but in the middle of the Spanish word, you find an English word. It gives it away for us as English speakers. What is it? Here we go. The answer is ensalada. Look there in the middle, we have salad, ensalada. And lastly, be careful or you might end up writing fried dads. Remember this because it is papas fritas. We learned the word papa, which is P-A-P-A with an accent line on the second A. That means dad. when we're writing French fries, we don't put that line on the second A, or else we end up writing fried dads. We want to write fried potatoes, papas fritas, which we know as French fries. All right, I believe that's the end of our riddles, and now it is time to play Comida Extrema. What does extrema look like? Extreme. This is extreme food. We are going to see some pretty silly photos here. With each picture, you're going to write a number. So for the first picture I'm going to show you, you're going to write a 1 on your paper, and then you're going to write an answer next to that number. So you'll see. Here's our first picture. Our first picture is, whoa, is this. So this is number 1. You're going to put a 1 on your paper, and you want to write the Spanish word that goes best with this picture. Now, again, I might go kind of rápido, but you can always pause the video at this point to write down your answer. Okay, so this comida extrema es sándwich. Sí, un sándwich muy grande, ¿no? Un sándwich súper grande. All right, número 2. Número 2. Whoa. Este es... You can pause your video and write your answer down. Hamburguesa. Hamburguesa. Es una hamburguesa muy grande también, super grande. Mira, un ejemplo. This is an example of what we're doing. See, we're writing the number and our answer. All right, here we go. Número 3. Ah, mira este. La respuesta es pizza, spelled the same. Es pizza muy pequeña, muy pequeña, ¿no? Ok, a ver, la próxima es, interesante, qué raro. This is a desayuno word. You may need to go back and get your desayuno vocabulario out. Or think about our song and our dance from the music video. Huevos, 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 huevos. La respuesta es huevos, huevos, eggs. Son huevos verdes. Qué raro. All right, número 5. Número 5. A ver, es... mira, ¿qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? También es algo de desayuno. Es cereal. Cereal. Now, este cereal es un cereal de México. Es como Frosted Flakes, pero en forma de pelotas, zucaritas. Cereal. All right, número 6. Esta foto es normal, no es extrema, pero ¿qué es? You guys got this one? Es ensalada, ensalada. Mira, número 7. Es algo en forma de una corazón, ¿no? Un corazón. Es sopa, sopa. A ver, próxima. Número 8. Número 8 es... ¡Wow! ¿Qué es? Es... tocino, tocino, tocino. Es tocino. Tocino. Mucha tocino, ¿no? Mira, qué interesante. There are a lot of things here that I'm not sure I've ever had, but they are all fruta, 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 fruta. They are all frutas. All right, la próxima. Mira este. Número 10. We are at 10 now. Número 10. Es desayuno otra vez. Y son hotcakes. Hotcakes. All right. Es una foto normal. Normal. ¿Qué es? Es yogur. 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 Okay. I think there's one left. Número 12. 12. Whoa. Mira, esa foto es de pan. Pan. Yes, I think that is the last one. Let's see. Oh, no, hay número 13. Número 13 son papas fritas. Papas fritas de muchos colores, ¿no? Muchos colores. Papas fritas. El fin. That is the end of Comida Extrema. And we are just about wrapping up with this video as well. If you are one of my students, what you will be doing next is completing a Google form on Google Classroom. There will be some sentences and you'll have to choose the Spanish lunch word that you believe the sentence is about. One other thing that you can do is if you have permission to go on YouTube, there is a video. You might remember this girl from the hotcakes video, but to find this video, you want to type in YouTube Musa's Health Foods, and then you'll see this video. You can play it. It is about an ensalada, and it uses some of the vocabulary words that we have been talking about. But that is the end of this video. Que tengan un buen día. Adiós.